I know there's a lot of you out there that are looking to sell your home, and we have those Callaways that make life so much easier when you're selling it or buying. But we have back with us today Joe Coleman, and he's going to tell us all about the seller side of this.
That's right. Those Callaways market the homes we have for sale like nobody else can. We just have more tools. Our exclusive relationship with Home Hunter TV, our weekly advertising in the Arizona Republic, and our super open houses with Joseph and JoAnn Callaway are just a few ways. We market your home to get you sold fast and for the most money while making it an easy and convenient process. So if you are thinking of selling, we would love the opportunity to meet with you about your home and show you how we can market you to a sold sign. Call us anytime, and thank you.
Okay, and I do love that you guys make life so much easier with the selling process of it, because there's things that people don't think about that need to get done with their home, and then there's other people that will go to the extreme and do too much to their home that it's not even worth the money. So you guys come in, advise them, and then make the process simple.
That's right. Before you do anything, always have a realtor out to go over what you're going to do, how you're going to do it, what needs to be done, and most importantly, what doesn't need to be done, because we want to not spend the money if we don't have to.
I totally agree with that. So that's why they have to pick up the phone and call you guys.
That's right. Thank you.
Thanks for joining us.